我哋係
港德製之二人
konGTak selfmade。We will place here our kitchen. The fridge will be installed here later. And now we will place the first wood box for the fridge, and then we go ahead for the sink later for the oven. I have fixed it with bracket, and here these two pieces, they are the holder for the fridge. So I will push the fridge in, and they will be there in the rails, and then fixed by two screws here in front. Then install the fridge with this cable, which goes to our 12-volt system. Fridge is installed. It's running, it's working. Here we have deep freezer part. This one is running on 12-volt board system. It's pretty big, but maybe we will need this space. And I'm working now on the solid wood kitchen board. Here is a part of the wood. I will plan it. And then we will glue it together with white glue and make a kitchen board for our kitchen in the camper van. For the white glue you need at least a temperature from 5 degrees plus. This will be the position of the gas. Here will be the gas pipe going through all the way to the kitchen. The gas pipe from the oven and the stove. And here will be fixed a bottle. Exit in case of gas leaking. Gas can escape out of the car. Restriction in Germany is where the gas bottle is inside. To build this shelf, we need to cut this edge from the floor in this shape of this front. And this is the next step we will do. Then we will later cut in here the back wall, and then we have a going round shape piece up like this. We press the back panel for the shelf. This is how we shape now the wood in place. Cheers for camper life.